Hello everyone! Welcome to Bedtime Story Time. I'm Miss Lizzie here at the library and we have some fun books to read today, and they're all about going to the farm or farm animals. So I thought that would be really fun because it also has to do with going to bed, which is what this story time is all about. So I hope you're nice and cozy in your PJs and you're ready for some fun songs and books. What do you say? Should we jump right in? All right, what do you think, Gordon? You want to jump right in? Yeah, he's ready. All right. What's the song we always start with? That's right, the more we read together. All right, here we go. Oh, the more we read together, 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 the more we read together, the happier we'll be. Read big books and small books and short books and tall books. The more we read together, the happier we'll be. Great job! All right, what do you say? Should we jump right into our first book? Okay. The first book I have for us today is called The Noisy Way to Bed by Ian Whybrow. It's almost bedtime. This little boy was oh so tired, and this is what he said. I think I'll go home past the pond because this is the way to... Quack! Hey, that's not what I meant to say. Well, you can come along. What animal goes quack? That's right, a duck. Good job. A sleepy boy and a sleepy duck go waddling past the shed, through the gate and under the tree. This is the way to... Nay! Hey! That's not what I meant to say. Well, you can come along. A sleepy boy and a duck and a horse gently go ahead, over the field past the sheep. This is the way to... Bah! Hey! That's not what I meant to say. Well, you can come along. What animal is that? That's right, a sheep. A boy, a duck, a horse, a sheep. Look carefully where they tread. They tiptoe past the pigsty. This is the way to... What do we think? Oink! Hey! That's not what I meant to say. Well, you can come along. What goes oink, oink, oink? That's right, a pig. 5 sleepy creatures found the stairs and followed where they led. Neigh, oink, bah, quack. And the little boy said, quiet, shh. What a noisy way to... bed. The end. That was a fun one, huh? I like hearing all the different noises the animals make. Did you? I hope you made the noises with me. That's a lot of fun. All right, how about we sing some songs now? What do you think? Does that sound good? Okay, so the first one I have for us is a little finger play. This is called Baby Bunny. All right, so you're going to get your 2 fingers ready, and you're going to make a little bunny. See how it looks like a little bunny? All right, good job. You have your bunny ready? All right, and you might need a second one. So make sure you have both hands ready for your bunnies, okay? I'll go through it once and then we can sing through it together. Baby bunny dressed in blue met another, then there were two. That's right, good job. Bouncy bunnies to the left, bouncy bunnies to the right. Bouncy bunnies, get in bed. Off to bed, you sleepyheads. Good job. All right, you want to do that one again? All right, here we go. Baby bunny dressed in blue met another, then there were two. Bouncy bunnies to the left, bouncy bunnies to the right. Bouncy bunnies, get in bed. Go to bed, you sleepyhead. Good job. All right, what do you say we do dancing sheep? Do you know dancing sheep? I've done it a couple times before, but that's okay. We'll sing through it, and I'll help you out to sing it, okay? This is a fun one, so get ready to be up and down and move your body, all right? Shh. It's time to go to sleep. Let's pretend to sleep, okay? Go to sleep. But into the bedroom, one sheep creeps. Don't go to bed, the one sheep said. Wouldn't you rather dance instead? Soon he was dancing on the ceiling, dancing on the floor. He was dancing at the window, he was dancing at the door. Stop that dancing, silly sheep. Now it's time to go to sleep. Soon the sheep lay on the floor. Soon the sheep began to snore. So I started dancing on the ceiling, dancing on the floor, dancing at the window, and dancing at the door. Good job. That's a silly one, huh? All right, now that we got our sillies out and we shook them out nice when we were dancing with our sheep, how about we do a lullaby to get nice and calm, okay? All right, how about we do our Lavender's Blue lullaby? Does that sound good? All right, Horton, you want to do that one? Yeah, you want to come rock with me today? Okay, I'm going to rock Horton during our lullaby. So if you have a stuffed animal friend that you want to rock during the lullaby, feel free to grab them now. Or if you want to use a doll or a toy, or if you want to rock yourself, you can hold yourself like this and rock back and forth. I like to rock myself a lot too. All right, ready? Lavender's blue, dilly dilly, lavender's green. When I am king, dilly dilly, you shall be queen. I love to dance, dilly dilly, I love to sing. When I am queen, dilly dilly, you shall be king. Lavender's green, dilly dilly, lavender's blue. You must love me, dilly dilly, for I love you. Who told you so, dilly dilly, who told you so? 'Twas my own heart, dilly dilly, that told me so. Good job. Are you feeling nice and calm now? I'm feeling a lot more calm now. Are you feeling calm now, Horton? Oh, yeah. So what do you say? Should we read another book now that we're nice and calm? All right. But we sit back down over here, Horton, get a nice view of everyone. Want to wave to everyone? Hi, Horton. Oh, he's waving. All right, are you ready to read another book? Okay. The next book I have for us today is Farmyard Beat by Lindsay Craig. animal is that? That's a little chick, that's right. Chicks can't sleep. Chicks can't sleep. Chicks can't sleep 'cause they got that beat. Peep, 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 peep. All that peeping wakes up. Who's it gonna wake up? Sheep! Sheep can't sleep. Sheep can't sleep. Sheep can't sleep 'cause they got that beat. Tat, tat, tatty, tat, tat. Tat, tat, tattity, tat, tat. All that racket wakes up. Who's it gonna wake up? Cat! Cat can't sleep. Cat can't sleep. Cat can't sleep 'cause she's got that beat. Purr, meow, purr, meow. All that racket wakes up. Who's gonna wake up next? Cow! Cow can't sleep. Cow can't sleep. Cows can't sleep 'cause they got that beat. Swish clank, swish swish clank, swish clank, swish swish clank. All that racket wakes up. Who's next? Hank. Hank can't sleep. Hank can't sleep. Hank can't sleep 'cause he's got that beat. Woof! How woo! Woof! How woo! All that racket wakes up. Who's it gonna wake up? Shh! Look who's coming. Who could it be? Whoo! Whoo! Lantern swinging. Whoo! Whoo! What animal is that? That's right, that's an owl. Farmer Sue! All right, sing it with me. Sue can't sleep. Sue can't sleep. Sue can't sleep 'cause she's heard that beat. Sue looks here. Sue looks there. No one here or anywhere. With a yawn, she thinks she'll go to sleep. When peep, 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 peep. Chicks can't help it. They got that beat. Then tat, tat, tattity, tat, tat. Purr, meow. Swish, clank. Swish, swish, clank. Woof. How woo. Hoo, hoo, jig, jig, a jiggity jig. Everyone's dancing to that beat till they fall in a heap, asleep. The end. Cock-a-doodle-doo. I've got that beat. The end. That was a fun one. I hope you were singing with me and dancing along to the Farmyard Beat. All right, that makes me want to sing another song. What about you? All right, let's sing another one. I thought we'd sing Five Little Ducks. Now, you might know this one because we used to sing it a lot in our story times before. But if not, don't worry. I'll be here to help you sing through. Get your 5 fingers ready. All right, these are going to be our 5 little ducks. Ready to count? All right, here we go. 5 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. All right, ready to count to 4? 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. Only 3. All right, ready? Let's count 3. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. Only 2. Ready? 2 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mommy Duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only one little duck came back. Only one. All right, let's sing one. One little duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mommy Duck said, quack, 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 quack. But none of her 5 little ducks came back. That's really sad, huh? All right, let's sing it one more time. But this time let's sing it really, really sad, because Mommy Duck's probably really sad that none of her 5 little ducks came back, huh? Yeah, so let's sing it again, but let's sing it really, really sad, okay? 5 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mommy Duck cried, quack, 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 quack. And all of her 5 little ducks came back. Good job! Yay! They all came back. Good job. All right, let's read our last book today, okay? This last book is called Go to Sleep, Little Farm by Mary Lynn Ray. Somewhere, a bee. Makes a bed in a rose, because the bee knows day has come to a close. Somewhere, a beaver weaves a bed in a bog. Somewhere, a bear finds a bed in a log. Somewhere gray mice hide their bed under roots, safe from the owl who hoots. Somewhere a fox calls her pups to their den, as somewhere shadows tuck a house in. You see the house in the distance? The little barn? Cows and horses on the hill hear their pasture grow more still. Chickens roost where chickens will. Now that the day and the sun have gone, quiet spreads and evening comes on, speckled with stars like the spots on a fawn. And somewhere, someone yawns a small yawn. Already, trees sleep the way that trees sleep. Brown rabbits snuggle in a sleepy rabbit heap. Ooh, they look nice and cozy. All around, dusk turns to night. Time for a father to turn off the light. Now little fish lie still in a brook. Somewhere a story goes to sleep in a book. Somewhere a worm sleeps in the dirt. Somewhere a pocket sleeps in a skirt. Even small breezes sleep in the skies. And somewhere a mother says, "Close your eyes." Then somewhere a secret curls in an ear, just as dreams flicker near. Some for each rabbit, each mouse, and each fox. Some for the minutes that sleep inside clocks. Some for the slippers asleep on a rug. And some for someone who gets one more hug. Now is the dark time. Now night has come. Now is the time that dreams bloom from. So go to sleep, little fish. Go to sleep, little farm. Go to sleep, woolly sheep, back in the barn. Go to sleep, beaver. Go to sleep, little deer. Quiet is the night now. Go to sleep, little ear. The end. That's a nice book to end on, right? Made me nice and sleepy, ready for bed. All right, we've come to the end of our story time today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I hope you had as much fun as me and Horton did. Isn't that right, Horton? Yeah. All right, let's sing our goodnight song. Now it's time to say goodnight, say goodnight, say goodnight. Now it's time to say goodnight. I'll see you all very soon. Thank you so much for watching and for joining me in this bedtime story time tonight. And if you liked any of those books that we read, they'll be linked in the description in our catalog in case you want to check them out. All right, sweet dreams, and thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.